Today, I'll show you how to add the Luma Fade transition. This transition looks super clean and cinematic because it fades between clips based on light and dark areas, giving your videos a unique professional touch. First, import your two clips into the timeline and place them side by side. Right between them, you'll notice a plus icon. Tap on that to open the transitions menu. Now, under the base section, you'll see an option called Dissolve To. This is the Luma Fade transition. Go ahead and tap on it to apply. Once it's added, you'll also see a duration slider at the bottom. If you drag it to the left, the Luma Fade will be quick. If you drag it to the right, it'll be slower and smoother, which usually looks more cinematic. And that's it. You've successfully added a Luma Fade transition in VN Video Editor. Try experimenting with the duration to match the mood of your edit. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more VN editing tips.